Biofouling can rapidly reduce a heat exchanger's heat transfer efficiency by 15% or more, leading to increased power use and increased or unplanned maintenance, costing operators billions of dollars per year. Rough tubular surfaces combined with welcoming temperatures enable organisms to attach and propagate on the heat transfer surfaces, insulating the tubes, causing erosion and pitting, and disrupting flow. Oceanit's HeatX surface treatment actively repels biofouling and deposits from binding to the tubular surface. The ultra-slick, omniphobic surface also creates a passivating barrier, which mitigates corrosion within the tubular. By preventing fouling, HeatX allows exchangers to operate at maximum efficiency, preserving heat transfer capability, greatly extending the span between maintenance and cleaning cycles, and delivering impactful cost savings.